Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock inDriver account. So if you open up your inDriver app and log into your account, so for whatever reason if your account has been blocked, so how you can fix this up is you go to raise a request with inDriver so that they will unblock your account. So you need to raise a request with them. So to do that, just log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, hit on this menu tab here, click on support. So when you get to support, then choose on the topic, for example like city. So what you're going to do, select blocked account, and then here when you get to blocked account, so click on technical support chat. So this will open up a chat with the technical team where you can request them to unblock your account. So for example here, so what you have to do is simply select whatever that best suits you, best topic, and then if you are a rider or passenger, and then here just type in your query. So for example your account has been blocked and you just need to unblock it, so just type that in and hit on start chat. So this will open up you will be able to contact the technical support team, and through that you can raise a request and they will fix it up for you. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.